your daily dose of health and wellness.
Clear your mind and help you live longer. And it costs absolutely nothing. No gym, no equipment, no complicated routines. Just one simple habit: walking. Walking improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens your heart. Just 30 minutes a day can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Walking releases endorphins that naturally boost your mood and reduce anxiety. Trying to lose weight? Walking burns calories, boosts metabolism, and helps you stay consistent without burnout. It strengthens your muscles, improves balance, and protects your bones as you age. Even your sleep improves. A simple walk during the day helps your body relax and rest better at night. And here's the truth: people who walk regularly live longer, healthier lives. So start small. 10 minutes today, 20 tomorrow, then 30. Because every step you take is a step toward a stronger, healthier, happier you.